Okay, this one's on the Snyder General Model GUA. I just wanted to explain, well, actually show what this thing does if you leave this cover off. This is a positive pressure combustion chamber. So the flame is not going to go up, it's going to roll out the front. So let's just look at the video. And I just wanted to note, this thing does safety out. The flame rod does not get flame sense, so it doesn't roll out forever. It's only for a short time, but that short time could give you some pretty bad burns. And here we're going to show it in slow-mo too. So when you're testing this furnace, be sure you keep the cover on.